You never know.
You see Belofi on the way in?
Yeah, I saw him.
He's importing Subarus now.
Well, wise guys gotta eat too, you know? Just my luck. I'm under investigation. I'm having lunch with the mob. Intelligence probably got this place wired.
Yeah? Well, if you got a beef, all you gotta do is talking to my left titty here.
Joey, what do you got for a special?
Oh, I got a special for you. It's so hot, it's probably illegal.
Look out! What's going on?
久しぶりだな。
うん、しばらくだ。
おとなしくしてろ。長生きはするもんだぜ。あ
Don't even think about it.
It's done, man.
What? What'd you say? Huh? What?
親分が黙っちゃいねえぞ。相変わらずひよっこだな。
Sit down. Relax. Relax.
All right. Let's see. Mind our business over there. Just eat, relax, mind your business.
Joey? 911, baby. 911.
Wait! Hey, wake up!